What's up, my beautiful fashionistas? Welcome back to Yvonne Winifred UG. Hope you're all well. So today I just decided to share how I edit my videos and photos using Inshot app. So this is where the apps are on my phone. I'm just going to go and tap on the Inshot app. That is how it looks like. And since I've been using it, now I'm in videos. I'm going to tap on new there, and it will bring me into my gallery to choose a video that I want to edit, or videos. You can choose one or multiple. So I'm going to highlight one that I want to edit and come here where you see this green thingy and tap there, and when I tap there it brings me into the Inshot app. So here we are in the Inshot app. So now playing my video, I think you're seeing a lot of effects that you can add. They are really a variety, so you choose from here whatever you want to add into your video or to edit into your video. So I've started with canvas. This is so it is simply where we choose the ratio of the video, kind of the size of the video, how it's going to fit in the corresponding app where you're going to share it into. So for YouTube we usually use 16:9, that white one that is highlighted, and you're seeing the TikTok ratio, the Instagram ratio, all the different ratios. So we are going to choose 16:9, which is the one for YouTube, and you can even adjust it to to your preference, or to eliminate some things that you don't want, or to enlarge or decrease the size of the photo or the video that you're working with. So after that, guys, as you're seeing all these things, we are going to go to crop. I think most of you know when it comes to cropping. So I want to crop my video. So you can crop, maybe you just want to show only the dress, or only up to the end of the head, or the full video. You want to remove anything that you don't want. So I want to remove some of those upper words. So I want to, I want my video to start at the top of the head, and at the sides I think it is okay. Then coming down here, I want to also adjust it a little bit. So when I click at the tick, oh okay, it brings me here. So now my video is, when I play it like this, I think you're seeing that there are no words, there is nothing unnecessary that I don't want to show. So that's how we use the crop effect. Then there are a variety of effects, guys. There is music. Now when we go into music, we have the music, we have effects, and we have even record. At this point recording. So when you tap on record, I think you're seeing that red thingy moving. It is showing you that you are recording. When you stop it, that audio stops there. So that's what we use when you are doing voiceovers like I am doing now. When you go to effects, this is where you find a variety of sound effects. So they can be weapons, drinks, weather, instruments, a lot, transitions. So some are free, but some are paid for. Inshot has a free version and a paid version. At this point I'm using a free version. So you can even import your sound effects, and it is really a variety. You choose from whatever you want. And when we go to my music, this is where you're going to tap and choose from the different audios or the music that you have in your phone. But most of these can be copyrighted, so don't just use such. So when you go to featured, this is where you find the music that is already in the Inshot app. So they have a variety also, very nice music, suitable for your vlogs, maybe chilled vlogs, travel vlogs, a lot of vlogs. Now for example here, I've chosen this if like one folder, and I've chosen this song that is called Mystic. So to use it, I'll have to first copy those words, and then I'll just tap on where you see the word use, and it will just come automatically here in the video, and it will start playing. But guys, when you use the InShot music, you have to copy it, and in your description, in case of YouTube, you put it there so that your video is not there is no copyright claim in your video. But if you don't put it in your description, they will tell you there is a copyright claim and your video will not be monetized. So guys, moving on, also there is the text thingy, as you see now. For example, if you want to add any words, for example, I've typed fashion, they will bring you the keypad there, and you type fashion, and then down here below at the very end, you're seeing a different colors and formats of how your word can appear. So you can either choose from one of them, the different colors. Now if you want to add a shadow of any color into your word, I think you're seeing it's been yellow and black, now it is showing some red, the word fashion is showing some red. You can choose the label. It is really a lot, and you just need to use it to experience everything and to learn more about everything. Then you want to choose anyway, to change the label into any other color, you can do that. If you want to change only the word into any other color, you can do that. If you want to change the border into any other color, you can do a lot. It is really a variety in the free version. So guys, even when you come to fonts, they have a variety of fonts. I think you're seeing how the word fashion is changing when you tap on different fonts. So you can just choose whatever is suitable to your video or to whatever thing that you are doing. So I use this even to make my YouTube thumbnails. This is what I use. So the fonts can be downloaded. I think you're seeing now you can unlock all of those when you have data, but if you don't have data, you cannot just unlock. And at times you just have to watch a certain ad so that you can unlock a font. So guys, moving on, we've seen canvas, music. Now let's check on stickers. So when you tap on stickers, this is where you're going to find the GIFs. This is where you can add your photos. Now for example, you're seeing this word share, I can adjust it to wherever position I want it to be. This is where you find emojis, and with data you can download a lot and a lot and a lot. So you're seeing all this that is available. So that is it in the stickers. So you have stickers and you have GIFs like videos playing, like short clips of videos playing. So when you have data, you can see all these ones that you're seeing here. But since now I don't have data, and you can even search out anything that you want, and they will bring you its GIF. You can go to trending, but before trending there is that circle, so I can tap there and they will bring me whatever I've been using so far. That is, whatever I've been using has been saved into that kind of subtitle, and it is here. So I choose from here maybe those subscribe GIFs, a variety of GIFs, guys, or stickers. So that is it. Even if I don't have data, those ones, if I've already used it before, it will show. Now for example, that one of subscribe, I think you're seeing it. So you can tap on it and adjust it accordingly, either to elongate it or shorten it, or to move it a little bit further, just as you simply see. And then when we play the video, you will be seeing our GIF or sticker showing up. So when we come here before the GIF subtitle, here when you want to add a photo, maybe you've already edited it, something that you want to add, this is where you come. So you come up here and you tap on this plus button there, and then it will take you into your gallery to choose any other photo that you have if it's not already here. And for example, if you've chosen this one, so you can just bring it and place it wherever you want it to be. That is maybe if you've already edited it, or if you just want even to add it into your video, just simply like that. So also here you find the effects, AI effects, and guys, you can even adjust or brighten your light, or the quality, the light quality of the video. So I think you're seeing when you go to adjust, this is in the filters, you're seeing how the video is brightening up. So don't over adjust it, just adjust it accordingly and don't over darken it. Anyway, it depends on what you are doing with your video. So that is it. When you go to filters, and there are also a variety of effects in filters. Just you can have maybe like kind of a black and white. They have different names according to the InShot app, but maybe you want to change your video into black and white, into some colors like neon colors, into two bright colors. It is really a variety, but not everything is free. Some you have to pay for them, or they are included only in the paid version of the app, and it's not also expensive. I think you pay kind of like annually, something like that. Yes. So moving on, I think we are in the PIP. If you want to add any other video, just click on the PIP. When you click it, it will add your video. It will take you to gallery and you will choose a video that you want to add, and I've chosen this car one, and you're seeing that when I play this former video, both are now playing. That's how you can add any other videos. But if since I don't want it, I've just eliminated it. So now moving on, now we are in the effect of pre-cut. So in pre-cut we have trim, we have cut, we have split. If you want to trim, that is adjusting a video maybe at the start or at the end to eliminate whatever you don't want, or to get something that you want from the entire video. You go to trim. If you've gotten whatever video that you want, you just click onto that tick button. Then when you go to cut, it cuts out something that you want to eliminate, or of any size. So you just keep on dragging these green kind of rectangles to wherever you want to get from the clip or from the video, just accordingly. You just need to use these things so that you get to know or to understand all of them. Now moving on, guys, there's also the split part or the split effect, and when you click on split, it divides the video into two. So you can drag this green line that you see onto where you want to split the video from. Maybe the video is about one hour and you want to cut it into 30 minutes. You can just do, or 20 minutes, you can just split them up like that. And when you come back here, you see that the videos are split up. You can edit each part individually. So that is how you use the split effect in the pre-cut subtitle. So after pre-cut, guys, there's also background. So in the background, you can either make a certain part blur. You can add colors in the background, just as you're seeing that whenever I tap on any other color, they are changing. So that's what you use it for. So now guys, we go to speed. I love using the speed effect. So you can adjust the speed by increasing it or reducing it. Normally when I'm editing my sewing videos, I use about 1.5 speed or 1.7 or 2.1, and when I go to time lapses, I use 6. I think you're seeing when you go to like 4, 5, 6 in time lapses, it is so speedy. When you want a certain part in slow motion or your video in slow motion, just keep on reducing it. And you can also, use those other effects in the speed part of it. So guys, the speed part of it even helps you to adjust on the size of your video. If your video was too long, you go to speed, you adjust it and it will reduce. That helps me a lot when editing my sewing videos. So guys, there are a variety of subtitles here. As you see, you can go to volume. You can either increase your volume or reduce it. In case maybe like you want to add a voiceover, you can just remove the entire volume of you can just adjust accordingly, and you add a voiceover, and you can even increase that voiceover or even reduce it. So guys, those are some of the subtitles that we have when it comes to InShot app, and whenever you update it, they add more and more subtitles. So you can even duplicate something, you can rotate simply as you see. It has that effect. You can flip as you see, you can freeze simply as you see. So it is really a lot that you can do with InShot. You can use it to really edit your fashion videos. So guys, those are some of the simple things that you can do with InShot. And after you've edited your video to whatever you want, you're going to come up here and you will see the save button. When it comes to save, please save in the highest like resolution. 1080p is the best resolution. It's the great quality, especially when you have that is when you have space on your phone. So when you're saving, now you're seeing it is converting. It has to convert up to 100%, but now we don't want to save, so I can cancel that. So it is now cancelling because we don't want to save that. So yeah, and the other thing that I can add is this anyway, if you want to save it, you can either draft it or discard. Discard is like deleting. So guys, we are going to go back here where we see video, because we've been editing videos. You can go to photo if you've been editing photo, and you can also go to collage if that's where you've been or that's what you want to do. So, and it will bring you to your gallery and you choose whatever you want to add. So it is really a lot. You can see a lot of other materials in InShot and other things. So guys, we're going to go back to video, and we'll go back to our video that we've been editing. There's this thing I want to show you. See where there's this plus button, you can add anything that you want, maybe blank space, and you edit that blank space. You can add a photo at the beginning or another video. You just tap on that plus button, or also at the end again you tap onto that plus button, you add a blank video, or you add blank space. If you want to write some words, you can add a video, you can add a photo at the end or even at the start. So it is really a lot. I cannot explore everything in just these 20 minutes of this video, but guys, there is a lot and you can learn a lot with InShot. So guys, Comment below if you have any questions or supplements, and I'll be seeing you soon.